Dear Lord, I'd like to thank you for bringing us together. Thank you for blessing us with family and friends around us. I'd like to ask you to bless the food that we're about to partake in. And I would really like to thank you for allowing us to be in each other's company. Amen.
And it's pretty much a cool area to relax, you listen to the guests would come over, they sit on the bench, bring their beers over. For the vegetation, we have callaloo, scotch bonnet pepper, sorrel, watermelon. The idea of this fishing pond is for the guests to come down here, they fish and they grill their cat and they grill over there. We have ackee trees, plantains, bananas, sweet sops, guinea.
Simply local.
I miss that family.